Hi viewers, we have with us a great astrologer and a Vastu consultant, Dr. KVN Prasad, joining from US. Welcome to Astrology for You, Doctor.
Thank you, Hemat. It's been a long time since we
Yeah,
interacted.
yeah.
Thank you so much, and welcome to everybody. Good morning, good
Thank you, sir.
evening to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, happiness is all about having a peaceful home. So we take so much care in building our house. Is the direction of entrance very important when we build a house? Also, we always hear people saying north and east are the best, and many consider that northeast entrance is very auspicious in particular. Is it mandatory to have northeast entrance for a house, doctor?
Yep. Sure. Yeah, it's a very good question, Hema. A lot of people think, and then in fact, even in US, builders are selling in premium these lots.
Oh, okay.
Northeast lots they're selling in premium. Okay,
Oh,
but let us see, how far it is true and how it is not, how it is going to affect with a simple practical example. Let me share my screen.
okay.
Then I will show you that. uh, okay. Okay, you are able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the Vastu Chakra, right? So Vastu Chakra, all the directions are here. 16 zones are there: north, south, east, west, northeast. All that. Again, there is even north, northeast. Like that, east, northeast. That is further divided into two it. So I just pulled up from internet. This is a sample 3 bedroom house, apartment, or whatever it is. I don't know. It's a single floor 3 bedroom house, right? So this is the entrance. You have 1 bedroom here, master bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, to one attached, and there is another one, and 2 bedrooms here. All right, so this is a typical 3 bedroom 2 bhk, I mean, sorry, 3 bhk house. Okay, so
Okay.
now let's go one by one, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so if I take north, so this is north direction, right? So this is, here is what is the entrances. Okay, so we should not take like this. So normally what people do, oh, this is north face, I will take this is north as. It is not technically north, it falls under northeast. Okay, see here, this is the zone. So now we have to tilt it this way a little bit, so this becomes north. Okay, so when
Okay.
the knot comes here, living room is here, which is good. Okay, but you see here, kitchen moved to east. See, this is the burner is in east, which is not good. All right, and then
Okay.
this is 1 bedroom, master bedroom is coming in southeast direction, and southeast direction, right? This is not that great, but okay for now. Okay, and here is the problem: 2 bedrooms. So this one is northwest, this bedroom, second bedroom. It is falling in this sex and attraction zone. So what it means is, whoever sleeps here, their primary focus will be in this external marital affairs, external affairs, and all. If your children sleep here, their focus won't be in education. It will be on other activities, right? And we don't want, if the children, like below teenage, it is fine. Once they come into teenage, their focus in education goes away, right?
Okay.
Okay, so now if we come here, third bedroom, it falls in this direction. So what is this? This is depression and this thing. So whoever sleeps here, they will be more depressed. Then they won't gel with the family and the society, right?
I understand.
For north entrance. So these 2 bedrooms are bad. This is okay. Kitchen is kind of bad. All right. So now let's see east. Okay. So this is entrance. This is coming in east. Okay. So then these 2 bedrooms came in northeast and northeast direction, which is not great. This purpose is different, right? And master bedroom went to west. So again, east is also not working out greatly. Again, kitchen is also moved to southwest, which is not great. So this is very bad, right? So now, sorry. So now let us see how is northeast coming along. So in northeast direction, if you do this, okay,
Yeah.
entrance is here, kitchen move to south southeast direction, which is still under fire zone. Not that's fine, not problem. And master bedroom move to southwest, which is good. And if you look at these two, the second bedroom is falling in north northeast and north. If
Okay.
but here there is a window. If you put the bed here, that is good. If you put the bed here, that is not great, you know.
Okay.
So and this bedroom is again going into this what is this north northwest direction, right, which is not good. If you compare these three directions for this plan, northeast is little better than other two directions, north or east direction. But again, if the same plan, if we flip, okay, entrance is here, because in apartments, one house like this means other house will be opposite like that. Correct?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. So
Yeah.
now if we do that, let's do it horizontal flip. Okay. So it is my entrance is still here. I'm sorry. Okay, now let us see north first. If we put north here, then again these two bedrooms is coming in north and northeast, which is not great. Master bedroom is fine. It comes here, but kitchen it goes into west. You know, it's not perfect. All right,
Yeah.
whatever it is not the desired one. So now let us move to east. So if we move to east, okay, little bit. Sorry. We move to east, okay, these two bedrooms come here, south and southeast. South is good, southeast is okay, not bad. Then master bedroom goes into northwest, that we don't want. uh, we don't want that, right? So now let us see if it goes to northeast. So northeast also, then master bedroom is going to west direction, which is okay. But these two bedrooms are falling here, east and southeast, and kitchen is going to northwest, which is the worst place a kitchen could have. Right. So again, this is not great. So basically, what it is right at the end of the day, it doesn't mean which direction you are doing. It all matters is how your house plan is, right? This is
Okay.
3 bedroom house. If I do for a 2 bedroom house, then again you will get a different results. And how is your plan associated? We should not blindly go, okay,
Okay.
north is the best, northeast is the best, you know, this thing. Say, for example, a lot of people say south is bad. Okay,
Yes.
south is bad. So is does it mean that we should demolish all the south facing houses? There are,
No.
if there is a house north in a street or in apartment, if there is a house facing north direction, there is a opposite houses south facing direction only. How many
Yes.
ever equal number of houses in north side, you will have same number of equal houses in south side also. How are
Exactly.
they doing? How are they living? Are they not having family, job, career, everything, right? So we have to look in totality. You asked, is it entrance only important? There are so many factors are important, not just entrance alone.
Yeah.
So when I do the Vastu consultation, I prepare the whole chart.
Okay.
Entrance, how many marks? Living room, how many marks? Master bedroom, how many marks? If it has multiple bedrooms, for each bedroom, how many marks it scores? Oh, right. How is the
Yes.
kitchen? Where is the toilet? You know, all that. We have to look everything in total. Then only we can come to a conclusion that, okay, this is good, this is bad, and that's what it is. We should not blindly go by it. If somebody doesn't want to have a Vastu consultant doing it, then maybe they can go blindly, but that is only covers only some part of it, but not a total picture. Right. Hope I clarified. Any
Yeah.
other questions, Hema?
Yeah, that was very informative, actually, because we should not miss a very good house just for the entrance. That's what I
Correct.
understood. Yes,
Right.
yeah. On an average, we have to just go with the house which is very good, all
Correct.
in all the aspects.
All the
Yes,
aspects has to be considered. We should not blindly go with just with the entrance, and
entrance.
then we saw how it is going to affect. Then later on you will
Exactly.
see. You may not see this effect immediately. Some effects you will see immediately. Some effects it will take some time, few years to catch up. Right?
Okay.
We saw.
So normally, how much time will it take, sir? At least, like if you go into a new house, so after how much time you will like experience the
Again,
the
oh,
effect of
this, yeah,
on an average, like.
this again depends on the astrology as well.
Okay.
Right? So how are their planetary positions and that
Okay.
house and everything will come into effect. For some
Okay.
people, it may be immediate. For some people, it may take some time. But definitely
Okay.
there will be impact. If you go into the bad Vastu house, you will see the impact. But the
Okay.
time factor depends upon the individual
Your
person's
aspect.
horoscope, right? And because in the
Okay.
house, not just one person, a family is living,
Yes.
it will affect the everybody, and whoever is part of that factor or that facet of the life they are facing, then only it will affect. Oh, right. Say
Okay.
for example, education means, okay, once we are working, some people we are not that much into education, only children will be doing the education, like that. So there are so many things. uh,
Okay.
you
Okay.
have to
That was
look
very
into totality, not just by one factor and then blindly decide.
okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, doctor. That was
Thank
very
you.
informative and it was a very useful tip actually. Um, so I can meet you again in another session
Yeah,
with more tips,
sure,
doctor.
sure.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
everybody.
If you need astrology and planetary
Vastu.
consultation, please call me at 408-909-5867 or contact me on my website www.astrology4u.us. Thank you for watching again. Let's catch up on some other time.